Deepavali tea has been a mainstay for Hindu Endowments Board from about 2017. This year being SG60, we decided to do something very different. We linked up with the IRO and get people from all 10 faiths to come by and do something collectively. So we have the privilege today to get Mrs Vijaya Mohan. She's a world record holder in Rangoli, and we're going to create these Rangoli pieces using 60 different materials.
There are organic materials, there are industry-produced items which are then being recycled here.
So the whole experience was very therapeutic, honestly. We use like the sauce containers to stick the flowers in, curvy lines to add some Indian elements to it, but also bringing in other cultures like Chinese ang pao. We cut it up and then we stick it on.
It's not a wasted Sunday morning making art piece with my friends, making a new friends here.
The other important aspect of today's event is that you're going to have a lot of conversations. With this kind of activities, naturally you'll find people making a lot more new friends. And what's important is you're making new friends across faiths, across culture. You'll bring back not just memories, but conversations to tell. And I think that's an important outcome of today's event.
It's fun to be part of this very colourful and vibrant workshop, which I believe is part of the Hindu Endowments Board's larger commitment to promoting interfaith dialogue and conversations.
At this juncture, I would like to thank Hindu Endowment Board for giving me this opportunity to work with various ethnic group peoples. It is a very nice experience. I am still waiting to see how the final piece is going to be, how beautiful it's going to look, and people will enjoy viewing it. I'm going to put together all the pieces for you to see after it is unveiled.